Cosmic Cruiser. Have you ever imagined a yacht so advanced it feels like it's from a future? What if a vessel could combine extreme luxury, eco-friendly technology, and ice-class durability, all in one? That's exactly what the Cosmic Cruiser concept brings to the table. While there isn't a widely known boat officially named Cosmic Cruiser, the closest and most impressive reference is the Lursen Cosmos Gigayacht launched between 2023 and 2025. Stretching an incredible 374 feet, this yacht is designed for long-range cruising in any environment, including icy waters, thanks to its reinforced hull. Its futuristic design by Mark Newson sets it apart, blending artistry with functionality in ways rarely seen on the sea. What makes it truly remarkable is its energy system. Cosmos is the first Lursen yacht to use a methanol fuel cell system, producing cleaner energy and marking a step forward for sustainable luxury yachting. Inside, every detail, from the spacious cabins to the onboard amenities, is crafted to offer unparalleled comfort, making it both a technical marvel and a floating palace. This mega-yacht is not just about size. It represents ambition, innovation, and a vision of what modern yachting can achieve. With Cosmos, Lursen demonstrates that performance, sustainability, and elegance can coexist seamlessly, creating an instant icon in the marine world. Call to action. If you dream of witnessing the future of luxury yachting, follow the story of the Cosmic Cruiser and see how technology and design are transforming the seas.